Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to Vlogmas. Hey guys, today's video is going to be just a little bit of a chit chat talking about how I am going to be trying to do Vlogmas this year. If you are new here, please hit like if you like it, subscribe if you like me. Anyways, let's talk a little bit about what I plan to do this year for my very first Vlogmas. Alright, I know that Vlogmas started out as vloggers vlogging every day. I do some vlogs, but I'm not a great vlogger, and I do want to continue to do makeup content. So this year, my plan for my very first Vlogmas is hopefully to post every single day through the 24th of December. I'm not gonna be too hard on myself if I can't do it, but I am going to try really, really hard. I still will be doing my regular content like my project pans and my declutters and things like that, as well as a few makeup videos. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested, please subscribe so you can follow along and see if I get any better at this. I just started my YouTube this summer, and I started with my iPhone, so I'm very, very excited to say that I have purchased, if you can't tell by the quality, a camera. I got the Canon PowerShot G7X. I got the Mark II. There is a Mark III out, but like, why do I need to be that fancy? This is good enough for me, I think. And I did get lights also, so I will pop a picture here. This is what my camera looks like that I'm using right now. And here is what the lights look like that I'm using. I have one behind me, you can see here, and then I have one in front of me that you can't see. I know a lot of people choose to go the ring light route. I did not do that because I would have to have the ring light in front of my camera, and I don't have that much room. Like, I can touch the wall. It looks a lot further back than it actually is. I'm in a pretty small little alcove, so I figured having two smaller lights that were movable to my needs would be a little bit better for me. And so far, so freaking good. What do you think? The window is right there and there is sunlight coming out, and I still think I'm getting a pretty even going this way. Let me know down below. Of course, I have not seen any of this footage in my editing software yet, so I don't know if the color is exactly right. I think I look maybe a little bit pale if I am looking at the viewfinder, but overall I think it's probably actually true to color. But you guys let me know down below. Is it too light? Is it too bright? Is it too dark? Can you see my skin enough for videos like makeup videos? Because I do want you to see, you know, my real skin. I don't know. I'm really excited for this. I have some content like planned out, like I said. Some stuff, I have some empty spots, you know, in my schedule to just kind of take what comes. So if you have ideas, if there's anything that you want to see over these next 24 days, let me know down below. But yeah, I don't know. I've just been blabbing for like 10 minutes now. I don't know if I've made any points. I just wanted to hop on and let you know that I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas this year. And I hope that you're excited about it, and I hope that it's something that you like, and I hope you like me enough to see me every day for 24 days and not unsubscribe. Please don't unsubscribe. So I just wanted to let you know that I've got a new camera and a new lighting setup, and I probably will change this up as it goes. And once I finally get all of my Christmas decor out of the storage unit, I'll probably add some lights and things like that back there to make it a little bit more festive than what's going on. If there's anything you would like to see behind me, let me know. I was thinking about moving these pictures, but I kind of like having the wall back there. That way in my thumbnails I have room to put words. Does it bother you to have it clear back there? I don't know. I don't know. Let me know. I'm sure you have thoughts on the quality and whatever. Just like let me know, because I can't read your mind, and we can't have a conversation because you're not here. This only goes one way. Unless you comment, then it is communication. A little bit about what's on my face, if that interests you. I am wearing the L'Oreal Age Perfect Foundation Serum. If you are interested in a 3-day wear test, that will be going up, I think, in a couple days. I have to do day 2 and 3 of this, so it'll take me a couple days. And then on my eyes is actually the Raw Beauty Crispy and Pure palette. This like gold glitter is really giving me holiday vibes. I love it. On my lips, I have the Burt's Bees lip crown, as well as the Pat McGrath Electric Lotus over it. I thought that really like brightened it up and made it match my shirt a little bit more. Again, welcome to Vlogmas. I hope you decide to stick around. I would love to have you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!